This is absolutely nuts. I just want to make a quick update on DJT as I've been giving this one coverage. I've been extremely bullish, as I said, till the elections coming up for this one. And like I said, till we get above this ATR4, then we should be a little cautious as, we'll probably get a sell off on this one. If we look at after hours, we did go up just a tad bit coming in. So do keep that in mind. But this is DJT. Yeah, we're up 4% after hours here. We're up 21% on the day. And you can look at the news here. It's nothing. It's just a run up to the elections here. So if Trump wins, I definitely see this going much higher. But I can see it doing something like this kind of move. Where you see this big massive thing. I think we can get way above the ATR4. I think we can do, when I say ATR4, this is this red band. ATR5 would mean it's higher, 6, and this was hitting like probably a 7, and then it just plummets down. So, in theory, though, these pumps won't last as long. They will revert to the mean. So, if you're up a good bit, this is definitely a good gain to take. We did go from $11 all the way up to 47. I mean, I don't know what kind of more move you want to get from this. This is, yeah, it could go a little higher. It could go higher, but if we do this data price range from the lows to the high here, from this low of 1175, drag it all the way to this high, you're up 304% on this stock, and literally just from 924 to 10. That's within a 1 month time frame. So according to my chart and my analysis, we have not touched this EMA 10. We've been bouncing on this EMA 10, or EMA 5, which is this purple band here. We go bounce here, we go bounce here, we go bounce here, we go bounce here, bounce here. And that's how you trade these uptrends with strong catalysts coming in. Because if it's just bouncing on the 5, this is an extremely big uptrend. I would not be shorting this. The people that are like, well, this thing has no fundamentals, it has no money. I get that, but this is a very big uptrend, and I mean, you're going to see some shorts get ripped the heck out, right? I would not be shorting this. Yes, we're going to get a correction now. It can go a little higher, but this is where you get these corrections. This is not bearish though. This is just a reversion to the mean, probably back to the 5, and then make a new leg up, or we go back to the 10 and make a new leg. So you do got to take in fact that we are going to hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. I don't think the 20 is going to get hit very soon. This could take some time. As you can see all throughout price history, look at this. When you're in a downtrend and it's a strong downtrend, look how long it took to hit this EMA 20. We went from 722 all the way back to this one, 913. That took 722, 822, a month and some change. The last time we left this EMA 20 was 1004. So we are getting close to a month. This is 1028. So usually if you don't hit the EMA 20 in 2 months, that is extremely long. This one did it in like a month and 2 weeks. And my other strategy is, when we're trading an uptrend, and we're in a downtrend, what I like to use too is trend reversals, because I know bigger cap stocks, especially this stock with the catalyst coming up, this trend will eventually switch upwards. So because you can see if you use your trend channel, this is a clear downtrend. As you can see, we touched this. We get our big support here. This is our touch here. We get resistance here, and eventually we're going to break out of this channel, right? And we touch this bottom here, which is clear support, and then what happened is we started breaking out. So this channel is no longer relevant, and now we go up now. And this is what this channel looks like right in here. Until we break to the low side, this is going to keep going up, right? And I don't see this breaking to the low side. And you can see, right here's your resistance, goes down. We are above this resistance, so yes, this is going to go down for a correction. This is not going to plummet down like a lot of people think. This is going to go down. Where do I think it's going to go down to? This middle band on the middle band on the trend channel. Or at least this EMA 5, which is this purple, which has been respected continuously. Because you can see all throughout here, we've not went really below this EMA 5. So do keep that in mind. Usually what happens is if you get overextended big time, you do come back into this channel. But this is a very nice uptrend, so nothing I would want to be bearish on until we break below this EMA 20, which is this EMA 20, which is this blue line here. And usually what I do is I just say, I give it a decent amount of room. Like if I want to see, the data price range, how much would I be risking? I give it about a 10%, which is about right here on that data price range. If it goes below this bottom thing right here, I would lose 10%. And yes, I don't want to risk it if, this starts downtrending like this. This is a very nice uptrend, so you ride it till it dies, right? So, yeah, this is looking very nice. Definitely wouldn't buy here. Like I said, the EMA 5 and your 10 is your buy zones. If it goes below that, your last line of defense is your 20. But usually strong uptrends, they don't hit the 20, for a while. But it has been close to 1 month. I played this stock many times in the Discord. I post these swing trade alerts. You can see in my Discord right in here. You can see right in here, I have a section called Swing Trade Alerts, and I have a Swing Trading Education. If you guys haven't joined, you can definitely join. The links down below. And main thing is I like to teach why do we take these trades, right? Like I said, if we're doing a trend reversal, we look for the opposite side effect. You know how it hits this red band? That's a sell zone. But if it hits this bottom band, that is a buy zone. And this works very well with bigger cap stocks. So as you can see, where do we go? We went to the 5, the 10, and the 20. It's very simple. It's very simple. Do we know when it's going to hit it? No. That's the key factor. We don't know when it's going to hit. So what I like to do is I like to use the time distance rule. You see how price, when it goes away from this EMA 5, if it don't hit it, EMA 5 is your first one to hit. So anything that don't hit in 7 daily candles is long. So you can see right here, we were 3 daily candles with no candle touching this EMA 5. And so then we had this confluence. Right in here, we had this 4th daily candle touching this lower band. And it just makes sense to accumulate right in this area. If it goes down, that's totally fine. We're not here to say I got the exact bottom, but we know our room up to this EMA 5 is a 25% gain. 10 is a 40%, and then the 20 is a 56. So trading is just that that probabilities, right? We would never buy DJT all throughout this mess here. This is just a choppy mess. There's no price anywhere close to this green band, and that's all this is. And if it's not at the green band, like I said, you draw your trend channel, and you can see, well, what's your best probabilities? Well, your best probabilities are to buy right here, which it goes up to the 5 and the 10. It reflects down, hits this upper channel, and this is your next probabilities. The only way to ride this whole move up is to trail and stop it. I would definitely take some gains at the 5, the 10, and then I'll put a break even right here, and then just keep riding it up. Because yeah, you'll probably sell early, and that's fine, but you want to hold some size where you can take advantage of this kind of move here. So yeah, this is DJT. I expect price to come back down to this 5 very soon. The last time this is our first daily candle of time distance, so it can consolidate, flutter in here, and this EMA 5 will come back up. But I'm very excited to see what this happens before the November 5th. Maybe we get a nice big short squeeze. This could definitely go way up in this range. But after that, it will be probably a sell the news, because this chart needs a correction now. But it's still extremely bullish, so I wouldn't be shorting this at all, even if it's at this ATR4 upper band, because it can consolidate, or it could make a slight move down and then make a big move up, right? Something like this, right? It hits this, makes a move down, and this is a decent move down, 9% move down, and then it starts going up, which, if you're buying puts and you make 9%, that's pretty massive. And then you can look at the options too. If you guys are into IVs, this is the reason why you would not buy options on this, is because of the extremely high implied volatility. There's a thing called IV crush. Once this goes down, your option premium will go down. So it basically means you're paying too much for your option. 240% IV is insane. So do keep that in mind for all the option players. I would rather just, if you're just buying shares, that's the best way to go for this. All right, guys. And yeah, you shouldn't be buying puts, because that's just insane. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is your chance to do it. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. and it'll be in the description. You can't miss it. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page, and you'll see where a lot of people are in here and chilling out, enjoying themselves. But if you want to subscribe, please read how to subscribe. It'll talk about if you have an Android, you will have to do it on your phone's browser or computer, and then after that, you can use your phone just as fine. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you, or trade your accounts. And you can also read the testimonies, how a lot of people have made lots of money doing this. We do great. I'm legit making money. I talked to another guy from work into joining us. I hope he get it wired and starts. And these are all real testimonies from real people. And then you can also do read the server shop here, up here in the top left. It will probably say something different on the phone. But how to trade like a pro, we have two services, Day and Swing Trading Plus and Swing Trading Plus. The Swing Trading Plus is your basic $6 a month, and that is just basic swing trades. And then the Day and Swing Trading Plus is more advanced. It's $12 a month. That's where you can be a full-time trader, have something to day trade, do something all the time. And I also do live streams too for the day trading community. And swing trades, just so you guys can get a feel of it. But it's only $12 a month. I highly recommend try that one, because if you do the swing trading, you have to wait till your membership's over to upgrade to the $12 a month. And if you just hit day trade alerts right in here, it'll access you to it. And if you guys know about options and futures, what we did on the day trades is we took the QQQs here for a massive win. I got over 50% wins on this. I said right in here, I tell an explanation of why. I said I'm in QQQ puts on the EMA 10, and I got a massive win on that. And that's really basic how, but I don't want people just to follow on why I take the trades. More important about this service is to explain to you why you would buy and why to sell, so you can have, a better psychology when you're in a position. But yeah, you have all this. You can join my live stream, my day trade alerts, swing trade alerts, day trading education. I'm really liking futures for the day trading too. So, but I can teach you all how to do that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and let's see what DJT goes to. If you guys have predictions in the chat, put it in the chat. What you think it can reach? I think it goes much higher. I think we can go past $60, in my opinion. We'll see. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.